get too much credit. Let me get a picture. Hop on the dock. Yeah! Oh, is it?
Oh my gosh, that was so sick.
Dude, you guys were going at it.
Man, I was trying. At the start, we were going so hard. Dude, I was trying to hold her wake on the second one.
Let's bring this one out here.
Man, I almost high-sided this one.
Yeah, you did. That was a little sketchy. I was like, oh no. That's scary. We're trying to figure out the traffic. I think coming in right now. I think it'll look at me. Because the L9's not going to bring it all five of these.
We get all five of them. It'd be bad. That was hey, when you cut up, like cut on my open up and cut up, it's so fun.
I think it is faster than going.
Team number one is Team
Dude, I was just trying to hold her weight to that one. Dude, that's what works.
So time is Tommy Harris, Kellen Brower.
Oh, look at Tommy.
Embry.
Oh, yeah, Tommy's not going.
Hey Jet, what are we getting into right now, buddy?
We're going like a little pit-bike relay on the flat track. We just did a warm-up then, like, well not warm-up, we're getting into warm-up now. But the boys and stuff are messing around there, it's so much fun. So the track's getting a little sketchy though, it's a little rough now, and he's worn it, so it could be on the sketchy side, but we're looking pretty excited right now, so we're pumped to get into it.
What's your strategy going into this thing?
Hold it wide open. Basically, I think it's the only thing you can really do.
Have fun.
You guys saw the deal, right? Yeah. Full 2 laps. Oh, well, 2.5. Yeah. 2.5. Yep. In the real race, the first one Okay. So 3 laps. 3 or 2.5? 2.5.
now. Okay. This does not count as one, like right here across the line. The real race will start from the white line. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Ripping. I'll go next.
Okay.
All right, that's good. All right, let's give him some.
And then we're the real train.
I like it. I think we got like.
4-man relay race going down right now. Our first guy's out for.
What we got going on right now, Hunter?
So we got Gus out there.
Good, dude.
Hey, is it go time now or?
He's gonna pass the bike on
No.
to you. Let's fucking go. Yeah, we're into it.
Okay, last lap. All right, we're good. I'm into it. He hopped on the bike and said 1 down and 4 up, right? So I was a little nervous when he said that, but I'm actually, the performance is really speaking for itself. So, I mean, let's get some, Gus.
Run it in, Gus. Yeah, run it in.
So stakes are high for this thing. What is your strategy going into this?
So I was just like fully vision. I like that. Was a good stop. Good job, Gus. Good job.
Fully
What was
committed.
the question?
I said stakes are pretty high going into this thing. What is your strategy?
We want the bragging rights, and that's all there is to it. So, oh yes, oh I like it. It's good. There ain't no strategy. Just go fast. Turn left. That's the only thing you got to worry about. And then a good pit stop. It's all gonna be in the pit stop, personally. Hey, we got to be agile to see where the bike stops. All right, you're up, Cam.
Oh boy.
Get that weight on that outside.
Outside peg. Oh, dude, that's so
Oh yeah, solid. Beautiful, solid.
So Hunter, in the race, I'm even out if you want. The third lap, you'll go all the way to the white line.
Third lap, all the way. All right.
Holy shit.
Yes. Oh, I can like this. Let's go! That's my mechanic. In case you don't know, that's my mechanic. He works on bikes for a living, but he's really bad at it. So
You guys have a
I
chance. Take that inside line on that.
you want to go outside?
Right there?
Yeah. All right. It's all in the pit stop, boys.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm gonna watch your line and do my best to emulate attentively.
Oh, he's coming!
Unbelievable, what a rush.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's ripping right now.
Taking all of it.
Hanging it in. Oh, that's nice.
Oh! Woo! Yeah! Taking it all out there, yeah!
Oh man, that was great. The pass off is tough.
Dude, my finger was stuck in between, so I was like trying to hand it up. I need to get the whole fence
You're
over.
the 2 finger, you got your other fingers there, that's right.
Oh, we're in business for sure.
You hit the beans in the grass!
The pass off is
We
unreal.
need to make it to the race, alright, dude? That's fucking that fuck.
We gotta put in solid time.
Come on, baby! You're going second.
All right, Sam, he's hanging off on the right side.
Still practice, or is this real? No, this is real deal. Oh, it is? Okay.
Yep.
I'm glad I pay attention. Yeah.
Let's go!
Come on, Jacob!
No, you keep going down.
It's a fine line because it... Unless you're like that long. Yeah, we'll try.
That was good.
On 125. Come on, Sam. Good job.
Keep her on the inside, buddy.
Big boy.
Come on, Sam! He's not doing bad.
No, he's doing good.
How's the course?
It's better that time, much better.
Better?
You going now, Jeff? You're the next one? Next?
Yeah, next lap, next lap. Come on!
I get off this
way. On this
oh, the
side.
other
I'll get
side.
on the left.
Okay, I'm going off the outside.
Hold the clutch in too. I got some adrenaline pumping right now. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, Jeff! Way to go, Jim. Hey, that was good.
Yeah,
Those were solid. Those were solid.
You're up now. Yeah. Okay. And don't forget to go all the way to the white line and then turn left.
Okay, yeah.
Stop here.
Keep going. Hey, course was better that time, Honda.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like more traction?
Yeah, but watch out when you get over there with that last time. You see how I got in the flop or whatever?
Okay.
One more! Need a good switch here. Well, good.
I don't know if I was supposed to.
It's got like a cushion on it now.
Does it?
Yeah. Don't smash the front brake, just like come in with the rears and just kind of start. Don't get a big head start. We're passing off the first, right? Yeah, I'd say pull in, like don't grab front, just like rear and then kind of roll it, and then he'll grab and go and push you. I don't know how it's gonna work. Might be great, might be horrible, but we'll see.
Who's going second?
You're going second. Dude, my guy's moving.
He's
moving.
yeah, he's a trials rider.
Oh,
So
he's
got good balance, but he's not used to going fast. But
Oh, that's all right. He's moving.
trials riders actually
Don't weed it.
okay. Who's
As long as we
don't
don't crash, we're all right.
Slow and steady we're fine.
Yeah. That wasn't bad. I like it.
Good job, Eric. Thank you.
Eric crushed it.
Thank you, dude. Had a little moment there. I was like, ooh.
Oh, you broke a little bit here?
Yeah.
Come on, give it the juice.
Yep.
Not bad though. We're steady, guys.
That's where it is. Change to
This is the one, right, Chris?
Yep.
Go, Tony!
You're going all the way to the white line on this one.
Yeah, all the way through,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice! Crushed
I did
it.
my best. Good job, dude.
Crushed it. I gotta stretch here, get warmed up. Alright, we're good. I'm ready.
You're up, pretty cool.
Yeah.
One more lap. I think Joe's standing in
No, yeah, he's in a.
Maybe he was right in the.
He's in a sketchy area.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh boy!
You guys ever wonder
I think we're
what it
ready.
feels like walking out to the Super Bowl?
Dude,
That walk was it.
that was it?
It's the winning team.
I didn't feel nothing.
You guys had to, I bet you guys were the fastest in warm-up.
I hope so. I mean, we were good.
320, another 320.
No way!
Yeah.
It's the handoff. It's the handoff.
It's all the. I think we keep the like the same, right?
Yeah.
So I think because it's like tricky to keep going left, like we
Just
kind of run into
out,
it.
swing out wide and then cut through here, and we're good.
Is it left, right? Yeah, put it in neutral.
So it's a running start. The time starts when you cross the finish line. Alright? So when you cross the finish line, then you're going to start doing it.
Is it good? Does it feel good?
Are we ready to go, Gus?
Yeah, so I'm going to jump off right here like...
No, other side, or...
Yeah, the same.
Yeah,
same
never
other
mind.
side. Yeah,
My bad.
You'll just be over there.
Alright, I got to cut this sharply.
Yeah, so you do 2 laps and he'll put his hand up.
Yeah. Watch for the white flag.
Okay.
And it starts at the line? Yep.
Goosing it, dude. Oh my gosh.
Who's going second?
Dylan, how are we feeling? Good, alright, so this is start of lap 1, yeah?
Yeah, he's coming in hot.
He's got one more.
Pogging up. Early morning races.
Dude, that was good! Alright, I like this, I like this. It's good. It's good.
Okay, this is the tricky part. Shift her down, Gus. Shift her down.
Yes!
It's hard getting on that side on. Fuck.
No, but we did that.
Huh?
We did that side.
Yeah.
Remember? Like this way, at least this way we've got like repetition.
Yeah.
I felt a little slower just because I didn't want to. There you go.
It's alright.
1 lap.
Oh! Yeah!
Goosing it, yeah. He's gonna do
Yeah.
another lap and then I'm up.
Alright, Cam, on the outside of that block, outside the inside, baby.
Yeah, that's 315. 315.
Dude, it's getting a little close.
Remember on your third lap to go all the way to the white line.
I'm just gonna go until I see that black and white flag, baby.
Did I not get that guy coming too early?
One more lap, right?
Yeah. I mean, well, this one and then...
Yeah, he's got one more rotation.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes, kid.
All right, Hunter, let's go. Finish her off.
Yeah, go, go, go.
Good job, brother. Use that track.
The left, dude, that one is so good.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I think the way faster down there.
Oh no! That was a 10th.
Here's the finish, right?
Yeah.
Oh, guys. Is that the third there?
Yeah, we like this. Clutch it a bit, finger it. Go! Will, hey, get on the right side, right side. Go out a bit. Downshift. Woo! Will!
Other side.
Other side. You're shitting me.
Wasn't you supposed to get on that side?
No.
Left. Who's us tied up?
I don't know.
I get off on the left, right?
Yeah.
And he got off.
Who's on the right side?
Christian, are you up?
We got mixed up. I don't think you saw it.
One more left. One more left.
All right, let's fuck this up.
I fucked it up. He's your third guy, right?
Yeah, he's third one.
So yeah, obviously on your third lap, you're going to go all the way to the white line.
Go Honda, one!
Ready?
I'll go on that side.
He's not lifting. Make sure he keeps going.